Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are back on day number 2 on attempting to pull Juju's motor. Hopefully this time he has better luck. The first time around with the motor swap, it wasn't good. It wasn't good at all. So, I will be taking care of him. It may take a hair longer. Actually, no, I don't think it's going to take that much longer than what it did last time. So, we'll see how it goes. So far, I pretty much have the engine almost ready to come out. I'm currently working on taking off the engine mounts. And I left all my tools at my job. Because I'm dumb. It is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm just working with Juju's tools and this is all he has. So it might take a hair longer, but it's alright. As long as it comes out, I'll be happy. Here.
Gracias.
I got my personal organizer.
So what's up, buddy? What's up, guys?
The motor's out. We had to do a little bit of running around because, like I said earlier, I don't have any of my tools. So it took a little bit longer than I wanted to, but it was quick enough. Whatever. I owe Juju a VTEC solenoid. It's alright. These are 20 bucks. He doesn't know I'm gonna get him the eBay one.
That piece of tape. Piece of tape.
That's a good question.
Probably came from
So, this is where you take advantage with all this shit, bro. Move it all out of the way. You know? Take this mount off. All this shit is washable. Yep. Take all these
AC line.
AC lines. Yep. Yep. You know what I do recommend also? Taking this liner off.
Really?
Yep.
The paint.
That liner catches on fire, and the whole car's coming up. You get what I'm saying? And things like that can happen. You get what I'm saying? So that liner comes off. Let's say, for example, God forbid, the oil feed line bursts. If the oil feed line bursts, all that shit is catching on fire.
So, good thing we got experience with the fire crew.
Putting out fires.
Set it.
That oil, that looks brand new.
That's not too bad. Okay, I've actually seen way worse.
I see metal shards already, bro.
I know, but I've seen way. Yeah, this is all bearing material, all of it. Let me see which. I'm excited to see which piston it is.
Bro, that does not look bad, bro.
I have definitely seen way worse. I have actually. I'm telling you right now, I've definitely seen way worse.
But it's all Pedro. Yo, you got a new oil pump? Yeah, for sure, bro. You give him that one.
Yeah, bro. You see the bronze? Or
Yeah, I see it. Like right there.
The copper. That's what I meant.
Right there. All of
The copper is bearing material.
So this oil pump's done?
Not the oil pump, but there is some stuff in the oil pump, so we can open it up and see how it looks.
Give you $100 for
the oil pump?
Give you
something.
$60 for it.
I would, like, if we open it up and it doesn't look bad, I'd probably throw it in your car. But I probably wouldn't risk it on his motor. I'll tell you something, Juju. What are we doing with this car?
Going fast.
What are we doing with it? No. It's not just going
Doing it
fast.
right this time.
Are we going to the track?
Yes, bro.
Oh,
if you're the mechanic on standby, we're going to the track.
We're going to the track. This is new.
You know, it would be really cool if we used the Cortex.
For what? What do you need?
Because I hate boost control with flash. I really
You like
do.
the RPM stuff?
Yeah, I like
RPM?
Cortex.
Oh my god.
Bro, it's about to be like a Mustang out here.
Imagine. Wait. Great.
Then
Well, neither one of these. Oh, number 4. I told you. Yeah, this one's fine. It's all number 4. Yeah, bro. Look at that.
What are we looking at? Oh.
Bro, look. Right there.
It's like it's like
Oh, yeah.
Bearing material. And then, well, let me see.
Supposed to have that play in it?
Absolutely not. So you
That-
see the
that
play
little
that's
play
going
the
right now?
Yeah.
The side to side is okay, but the in it
and
like
forth?
up and down with the crank is not no good. And I think. Oh shit! I forgot.
Aren't these different bolts?
These are
Yeah, they look like.
these are like converted torques. So remember how I was telling you about how your oil pressure was low
Yeah.
because of this port being open? So
oil we got over here.
yeah, so eventually when you have low oil pressure, this is your oil pump obviously.
Correct.
Cylinder number 1 sees the most amount of oil pressure. By the time it makes its way over here to the
Last cylinder.
last cylinder, this is where it sees the most amount of heat. So that's why number 4 was your failure point, because there wasn't enough oil pressure to keep this side lubricated. You know what I mean?
Nice.
That, my friends, that is what happens when you don't block this port right here. It is so crucial. Unfortunately, this was out of my hands, and I wasn't the one that originally put the motor in, but I mean, it's crucial to the point where this is like the first thing I do when I get a block. So it is what it is. Forget about the past. We're moving on in for the future, and please, everyone, block these ports off. This is me. This is me after finding out that it was bad. I put that in. So don't forget those. If not, you will end up with a destroyed cylinder. So okay, the bearing's not on here, so that means it's on there. Watch this.
That don't look great.
Oh, that look terrible.
Isn't that supposed to be like a.
It's supposed to be a lot thicker. Yeah. Not a full circle, but a half moon.
Oh, okay. So that's
not
the bearing.
terrible. That is not terrible. I've definitely seen. Oh wow, there's nothing at the bottom.
That's right here.
Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, it is. All right, hold on.
You got it?
Yep, that was the cylinder. I mean the
That
Rod.
thing ring.
rod. Yeah. Hold on.
Look at how sharp this is.
Yep, careful. Yeah, buddy. I have actually seen a lot worse. And bro, to be honest,
The crank doesn't look bad.
the crank does not look bad.
You think it just needs to see a machine shop?
Yeah. Oh shit. Hell yeah. It's pretty good. Alright, so
Something to look back.
here's a few jobs for Juju. Take the AC lines off. Take all this harness off the firewall and off the engine bay. Take this liner off. It's nice to have the liner on, but I'm gonna tell you something right now. God forbid something happens and it starts spraying oil. That liner will retain every ounce of oil, and it will light the whole car on fire very fast. So you're better off taking off that liner. Like I said, move all that stuff from the harness, from the firewall, and then yeah, take the downpipe off at this point. It's a lot
All
easier.
these lines, so I can take them off. Where you want
You can take the lines off as well, or you can leave them on and paint over them, and we can redo them. All right, so we're pretty much all set for the night. You got videos of this stuff, right?
Yeah.
All right, so. Alright, Yando's being weird. Either way, we're pretty much all set for the night. We already took the motor apart. The next thing to set up is actually put the new motor on the engine stand, just take all the accessories off the old one, but put the new motor onto the engine stand and actually start putting it together. He's got a list of parts that he's got to do. If you guys are interested, he is selling most of this turbo kit, so feel free to hit him up. We do have all this stuff to kind of get rid of, and he's just trying to get rid of it. So, Darwin, please. He's just trying to get rid of some of this stuff. So, you know, if you're interested in some of our stuff, like the intercooler, turbo manifold, part of the turbo kit, hit him up, please. But at least for the time being, at least we're making progress on it, and hopefully it moves quick. There's going to be a decent amount of work to be done on this car, but that's all right. That's part of the process. It's always like this. So at least for now, thank you for watching, and until the next one.
Yo, plug your page. Plug your page.
Follow my new page. It's Urena Auto. Urena.auto. You're gonna put it in the video, right?
No.
Bro, why are you just going in and out? Please,
Bro,
like, just
'cause
be
it looks
normal.
Nice.
Oh my god. Follow my new page. That's where I'm going to be posting all my progress pictures, my past projects, and future projects. So if you want to feel entertained and learn how I did everything, follow me, please. And either way, regardless, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.